Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving a two-step inequality. Specifically, we have 15 minus 13x as less than or equal to negative 24. When we solve, we're going to use the same strategies and techniques that we do when we're solving an equation. So I like to ask myself, what's happening to the variable? Well, it looks like it's being added by 15 and it's being multiplied by negative 13. So of course, we're going to do the opposite of each of those in order to get the x by itself. So let's take a look. We subtract 15 from both sides since that's the opposite of adding 15. And you'll notice again that I'm doing it from both sides of the equation. That's very, very important. Well, that leaves me with negative 13x is less than or equal to negative 39. Now, when I see negative 13 times x, we're going to do the opposite of multiplying by negative 13, which is to divide by negative 13. When we divide by a negative number, this is the one rule of inequalities that makes it different than equations. When we divide or multiply by a negative number, we flip the inequality. So you can see here that now I get x is greater than or equal to 3. Because again, I divided both sides by negative 13. I had to flip that inequality. So now let's focus in on the graph. How do we graph this? Well, because there's an equal to underneath that greater than symbol, we have to use a solid circle, a closed circle at 3. What looks something like that. Now we decide, do we shade to the left or to the right? Well, because x is greater than 3, all the numbers that are greater than 3 are to the right. And so we shade to the right since x is greater than or equal to 3. So my graph actually looks like this. I've got a closed circle at 3, and then I've shaded to the right because x is greater than or equal to 3.